welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing the shotgun only challenge since I couldn't decide which one I was going to do, the no shotgun challenge or the shotgun only challenge. So I just decided the shotgun only challenge because, well, I can. So this isn't a shotgun. Why is this in my inventory? That's not a shotgun. Shotgun. That is I can use heals. I can use all heals. Just only shotguns. A dragon breath. That's a shotgun. Now I'm ready to fight you. Where are you? I really haven't got my warm up. I mean, I've done badly. That's what I mean. I've got my warm up kind of. Oh gosh. Oh no, don't spam your SMG on me. Oh no! 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 Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh look! Another car! No! Get out of here! No! Truck! You little truckster. You truckster. You will be judged on your Latin fluency. That's from a show I watch called Mr. Young. It's like really funny. This is an old school song from the 90s. Needle and thread for dining. You know, sportsmanship in sports just really don't go. Ah! You don't do this to me. Why are you doing this to me? This is a thing that I don't want you to be doing to me. Sir, mister, don't do this to me. Got it? Just get in a taxi. Just get in a car and zoom off. Get out of here. Oh my God. I ran away because I'm 2 health. And apparently this person doesn't like being that person. I'm trying one more because that one was terrible. Alright, now I'm going to do the no shotgun challenge. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Unless he... Okay. I was going to say unless that happens. And it did happen, so... Gosh. This is not going well. By the way, guys, Merry Christmas. I'm sorry that I couldn't do the event. I was at it, but my dad wasn't home, and I usually use my dad's phone. And my sister wasn't home either, so I can't pick up a shotgun. That's the rules of this. Merry Christmas. 3 days till Christmas. Wait, no, it's 4 days, but 3 days till Christmas Eve. Actually, I'm gonna land here. This used to be the hottest drop ever, but now no one lands here. Literally, like I have visual sound effects on, and it tells you when someone's gliding. No one's two people are. Well, it's not very good. I can't use a shotgun, so. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, help me. Help me. I'm gunless. Ow! Why are you doing this? Alright, where are you? Show your face, sir. Oh my gosh! Seriously, you brought me a no-no gun? no-no gun. This is not a no-no gun. This is lever action. If you don't know what these are, they came out like a little bit ago. You probably know what they are if you play Fortnite. Basically a sniper. They're kind of like a hunting rifle that do less damage, but they're just really cool. These have a med kit. Oh, come on. I like med kits. You'll be judged on your influence. All of these, most of these are no-no guns. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna face this dude to a battle to the death. No, literally a battle to the death. Like, here, I challenge you to a battle to the death. Oh, you spawned there? Oh no, that's not cool. That is not cool, dude. That is not cool. Who in the world put you there? Why do you do this to me? Oh my gosh. Ah! No! No! Oh my gosh. Imagine he came out with a shotgun. I would be frustrated. Please have a med kit. A soft pedal. Okay. This is not very fun. Like at all. My mom is dead. Well, actually. I'm just gonna get all the way to the top. And then I'm gonna impulse out. Yeet. I got to find a medi. In case you didn't notice, I like being full health. Like, I could be zero shield, but just give me to full health. That's not quite a medi. Oh my gosh. And how far out of them? Okay, I'm pretty good. Honestly, I know that it was like a stupid thing, but I was at 74 and to get to 75, but still, it doesn't matter. Why is that a no-no? Why is that no-no gun here? I don't even know why I got out of the car. Soft pedal it. But there's one problem. Your hamster is dead. Way to soft pedal it. It's just so funny. Okay. Your hamster's dead. Oh no. It's alive. Zombie hamster. Give me these minis. What? Last time I checked, that's a no-no sound. That's a sound that we don't like to hear. Ah! What? No! No, Mandalorian, we can talk about this. Mandalorian? Mandalorian? Oh, that's the Mandalorian. That's the Mandalorian! I'm out of here. Sometimes you wish you're not out of here, but right now, I am out of here. If you watch Typical Gamers video, Samara got sniped out of a plane by the Mandalorian. Like, it wasn't just like a skin Mandalorian, like it was the boss Mandalorian. And they were on a plane like 10 feet from the ground and just destroyed him. Well, her. Okay. This looking pretty scary. Scary berry, quake and contrary. Alright, cool. Maddie. Okay. Why do people sink, but the sand doesn't? Like, look, I'm sinking right now. But, I mean, like a chest zone. Like, there's a lot of chests in the sand, but none of them sink. What? Raise your hand if you want me to kill this dude. I will be happy to. Okay. Oh, why do you duck? Well, I mean, you're a pistol dude, so that just makes sense that you have a pistol. I have no shotgun in my inventory right now. I don't know why, but I don't. And somehow I have a kill. I don't like rushing many people. I mean, I can't really rush people, you know, without a shotgun. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, good boy. There's a dude over there. I just want to go to get this chest. But look, there's a guy right. Get some of that. Where is he? Oh, there's one dude. Come on, man. Why are you doing this to me? That's what you get for doing that to me. You don't mess with me. That's what happens if you mess with me with a lever action, just so you know. Hey! I have a shotgun, so please don't rush me. That's a nice blue tack you have there, sir. Oh, hey. I have no choice but to rush you because you're being a meanie. Being a meanie pants. I have 0 ammo on this now. I don't want to take that because... Did you have any ammo? Oh no, I gotta go get that. I gotta go get it. Come on, where is it? Where is it? And got it. It has 9 bullets on it. That's not too many. Someone else is in the storm, but I mean, I guess that's their decision. There's 15 people left, and I have yet to use a shotgun. No, gosh, I just spilled my water everywhere. That's a no-no. There's a kid over here. Look at this dude. I'm gonna kill the winner. Here, so. Okay, I'm gonna kill this dude then. Oh, come. If you rush me, I don't like you. I really don't. Why are you doing this to me? Alright, now you're dead. Okay, I'm gonna drop this now. So I have this. You'll be judged on your lack. You'll be judged on your lack influence. Jersey's deadlocked. Jersey seems to be deadlocked. I'm gonna sing you one of Mr. Young's songs. Like, it has a bully, and this is one of the songs because it's Mr. Young's about like a young teacher, and it's like really funny. It's like a 14-year-old teacher named Adam Allen Young, and it like. Jordan Slabinski is the name of the bully, and this is his song. I never want to hurt you. I never want to give you what you need. If I don't win this contest, then one of you will bleed. Never want to hurt you. I hope you can take a punch. If you don't vote for me, I'll eat one of you for lunch. Your face. I want to punch your face. Smile, scowl, whimper, howl, doesn't matter to me. Vote for me or I will punch your face. Because it was just like a short school song, and that's one of them. Is there a dude over here? Oh no, he gets sniped. Oh. Jersey seems to be deadlocked. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh boy, oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. You look like a person! I'm sorry! But you really do look like a person. Why are you one of these peoples? No! I was so close, dude. I was so close. That was the stupidest thing I've ever seen. And he was the one with the sniper. I am so done. Wait, that's not the... Now whimper out. Doesn't matter to me. Vote for me or I will punch your face. Ever since I was a young girl, about the age of 14, I've been going to Finnegan, the worst high school it's ever been. It's run by a principal who ain't too bright. The only time he shines is when his head reflects the light. The teacher's to be in a cradle and some in a tomb. The janitor has a black belt, but can barely use a broom. I got the blues. If I wasn't in this destiny, another school I would choose. I forget. Finnegan High School blues. Smile, scowl, whimper, owl, doesn't matter to me. There is a school that I know. I like to go there in my dreams. Walking in the ground, morn till night. I don't have to break up a single fight. There is a perfect school light. I'm Arger right now. Like, get out of my inventory. Honestly, like, this is the sheet gun only challenge. I have to find a gun that shoots cheats. Or I just have to pickaxe a dude with a shotgun. That's gonna be pretty hard. I have to say, shotgun? Oh yeah, shotgun. Technical shotgun. That's not a shotgun. That's what I like to call clickbait. Oh, hey, look. There's a dude over here. That's behind me, I think. Was he? I don't know where he was. Oh, look. I have my visual sound effects on. And my visual sound effects say that there is a dude. Hey, dude. You're a Grinch. Ah! Oh my gosh. What is my aim right now? My aim was like in season 4. If you watched that video, that's how bad my aim was. Come on, better shotgun. Not really. I'm just going to cover my inventory in shotguns, though. So I wish pumps were still in the game. That was a great time when they were still in the game. I kind of have to rush people now. Ooh. Now I've basically filled up my inventory with shotguns. I usually don't use shotguns as much. I mean, I use shotguns a lot. Why are you doing this to me? Why is this a thing that you are doing to me? Are you just sweating? Ow! Stupid dragon breath! You stupid dragon breath! Alright, he's low, he's low. He's white. Come on, come on. He's whited. Why are you cranky 90s? Is this the thing that you always do to just bully people? Like, no, dude, no! Why are you doing this? Oh my gosh! I guess you could say I won a build fight. If you can, then that's the first build fight I won. Yay. Can I hear a bunch of applause from me, please? Please? I'm really bad, okay? I need shield. I really shouldn't have dropped those minis, but I mean, if I run into IO guards, I will just commit suicide. I hate those things. Do you know how annoying those things are? They chase you around for centuries. If there was a century Fortnite game, that would probably be the most annoying. Die. That's what you get. I have 3 medkits, so I'm gonna medkit. I'm at a pretty good amount of health, but 29 isn't, or wait, no. 19 is, I'm doing my math wrong. Yeah, 19. I think it's 19. Yeah, 19 is pretty good amount of health. I say this gun is a new gun. I don't like this gun. I just don't like it. Like, maybe some other people do, but I'm just someone who doesn't. I'm gonna kill him with this. Die. You had a pistol and a lever action. Concerning loadout, but okay. If I found the exotic double barrel, that would be pretty nice, I have to say. Oh, I meant to press drive. No. Nope. Station. That's nice. These are some nice beats. Oh. Oh no. I think I can make it without the car. I'm gonna bring the car as far as I can. Oh, present box. Come on, if this is a legendary charge, I will be so happy. It's a big chill. Okay, I can take it because it doesn't do damage. That's fair, I can take it. Because it does 0 damage. Does absolutely 0 damage. Oh look, the dude over there. Probably in that cabin. Nice to see you, old chap. Oh, that was the wrong gun. Ow! What was that? That wasn't supposed to happen. Good 27 health, I think I can see. I thought I had my, this shotgun out. That was kind of an accident. This would be like the grappler, kind of, if it was in like season 1. Season 1, chapter 2. I'm surprised I made it this far. I don't know how I got... Oh, I hate this. This is a no-no. This is a no-no to planet Earth. Why are you shooting at me? You have all the other people to shoot at in the world. And you shoot at me. Well, 16 other people. But why do you shoot at me? Why are you still... You can't even see me. Why are you aiming at me? Oh, no. I forgot how to drive a plane. Wait, so I want to just get through? Get beamed! Holly hedges. I have to say, nice landing. I mean, I could have landed like, you know, the worst place in the world, but I landed Holly. Legendary, or not legendary, purple scar. Still great. Great sight to see. I have to say. I'm just looking for chests just in case I get like, just say blue tack. Honestly, I got way more farther than I thought I would. There's only 10 more people left. Kind of surprising since I'm really bad and, well, oh, there's 10 people left. Someone just died. That was probably over here. Get nailed. Absolutely bodied. Honestly, get out of my lobby. Like, why are you in here? You are so bad. These people are bots. Just get out of my room. My room is this lobby because I'm about to take it out. I'm about to clear it, and I'm about to. My threat level is really high. Oh no. Oh no, this is bad. Oh! Uh-oh. This might be the end for me. This is, I mean, a lowered one, which is pretty nice, but it's not too nice. Ow! Stop right there. You hit me? You meanie pants. You are an absolute meanie. I will be back in a little bit. See you in a little bit. I might end the video here, But that would be an accident. That would be a total accident. I'm gonna try to not end the video, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, hey guys. So I'm back. And I'm in the middle of a little bit of a situation. If I do say so myself. I'm doing the no shotgun challenge. So I can't pick up that shotgun, and I have practically one shotgun. What are those, dude? What are those? Bink, 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 bink. You want... Technically, this isn't a shotgun. Yeet! Yeet! I'm shooting at this person. Die! That might hurt. That did hurt. That not only might hurt. Okay, I've got to run. You know, I have some errands to run. I've really got some errands to run. I kind of got to go. I really got to go. I have some major errands to run. Hey! Oh, that's great. You know what? I'm gonna take one person. Oh my! Oh, I have no mats. I am dead. I am literally, find the word dead, and I'm the definition of dead. I am literally the definition of dead right now. And the worst part is, I'm a target. Okay? That's... Alright, campfire. I have 0 wood, so I'm gonna get some wood. I just wanted to kill one of you. So I could, you know, like... Okay. Okay, yep. Alright, a little more wood to stoke it again. I'm in the circle. Not very good, but I am. Wait, where'd the campfire go? It burned out. I need 200 wood. That's a lot of wood. That's a little too much wood. Oh, no. Oh, that's too much wood. I can't get that. That is... I have 1 mini. I'm going to drink it. This is the challenge also. I have to drink the mini. I have to get 100 health before I drink the moolah. AKA mini. Okay. Now, since that costs me 200 woodos, I can get it. Ah! Why are you doing this to me? Why? I don't have a shotgun, and I don't want to die. Those sounds like 2 words that also describe someone else, and that is you. You are dead. Oh my gosh. I need to stoke this campfire. Give me some wood out. Why didn't you have enough wood? Oh my. Why didn't I pick up? What? Oh no. No. Yes. Heal me. I don't even need to stoke this, honestly. Just heal me. All the way to full. Yes. Yes. I'm very concerned. Oh, no! Why is this a thing? Fortnite. Why didn't you give me like 800 wood? If a llama just appeared right in front of my face, that would be a Christmas miracle. That would literally be the Christmas miracle of my life. No. Why did you damage every one of the trees? Why are you doing this? I have 200. I have 227, but I don't care. I'm still in the circle. I have no shotgun, but I really don't care. Why can't you just go somewhere else? Just go somewhere else. You don't need to be here. Preston Pickles. It's on here. Nice. Now instead of using the, that, I'm gonna stoke the campfire. Just because it'll get me, I can keep this. Hey, guess what, peoples? In 2 days is our Christmas break. And if you didn't notice, if you're watching in 2021, lucky you, we have to do online school. This isn't fair. I'm probably going to look back on this video in 2021 and just know that I am the worst at Fortnite it's ever been. Although that one time was a mistake. I swear I switched to my tack. When my dragon breath was reloading. That's a blue tack there. That's a nice blue tack, I have to say. I have to say that is a nice blue tack. That's the new version. When my mommy said I can't go, I went anyway because I'm a bad boy. Why is someone still spectate? I'm not even streaming right now. Okay. Bye-bye. Someone must have just died by a bot and started spectating me for 3 seconds and then just realized that this was a waste of their time. Let me just organize my loadout really quick. Alright, that's a good loadout. Look, a dude. He's about to be like, he's gonna enter the door to his surprise. Oh, wrong gun. Oh, there's 2 people. That's a no-no. That is a no-no to life. Dude, why are you doing this to me? Fight the other person. Fight the other person, dude. Why are you doing this to me? You really don't have to. Dead. I've had like over 800 close calls. Really close calls. Gas can go boom. Uh-oh. That no. Get away. Oh no. Oh no. There's somebody here. Oh, nobody. Where is this person? Everyone else has a nice shotgun. Unlike me with a 0 radius of a shotgun. If you kill me, you will have no shotgun surprise. Whoa. Hello. You look, I don't want to hurt you either because I'm going to die if I do. Probably, so. Nice 6 HP. Why are you rushing me? I never asked to be rushed. When did you hear me ask to be rushed? Like, when was this day? Oh no. Gosh. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? You teamers were such team. Ow! Wait 1 second. I hate this. I've lost over 80 times. Come on. This is the worst thing ever. Alright, shotgun only challenge. I'm gonna do a lever action only challenge later. Like, not in this video, but you should be seeing a lever action only video. I don't want to do these videos. You also should be seeing a vlog really soon. I'm not telling you what it's going to be about. It may not be that exciting, but it's going to be a vlog. My vlogs and with my friend, well, my used to be friend, Caleb, were, have to say, kind of boring. But this one's going to be more exciting. Although, please do drop a like on those videos. By the way, subscribe. You will be seeing more and more and more of these videos. And more of me being fresh. Why'd I put it like that? Never mind. If I could get a blue tack from this, that would be nice. I'm probably not. Nope. Oh gosh. How is a gray tack? That's not very good. Three, two, one. Two, one. Where did it go? We soft pedal it. What is soft pedal it? It's banana time. Now get this. No, that's my med kit. Now get this banana out of my inventory. You cheeky banana. Come back here. You don't belong on this planet. This is planet Earth. You don't belong on it. You are Storm. You don't belong on planet Earth. Storm? I go boom boom for you. I go boom boom for you, Mr. Person. Yeah. Attack. Honestly, though, go drop a sub on Chico's videos. They're pretty good. They're about Fortnite too. They're good. I just want to grab this for this. Imagine that hits Farmer Joe person and just freaks out. What are you doing? Keep out of my corn. That might be a problem. I kind of already, went through your corn. It was an accident. Oh. He's gonna die of storm, probably, so I think we're good there. I have a shotgun only. Why am I being a bounty? This isn't very fair. My threat level is really low. I think that's the Mandalorian. Eek. Eek, you're a geek. Soft pedal it. Your hamster's dead. Way to soft pedal it. Oh. Apparently now he's in this area. That was, well, kind of quick. Nice little tags. Tag, you're it. Wait, was that the person? I don't know if that was the person in the car would have moved up. Your bounty. Are you, you little bounty? You little bounty. Where are you? Oh! He's in a car. I mean, I hit the bounty. Yay. Okay. Oh no, my threat level's really high. Whoa. Am I about to run into Josh here? I think I'm about to run into Josh. This ain't good. Oh no. What's gonna happen? Whoa. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead. My threat level? Can you maybe just put it down there? You're raising it higher than I want it to be. And I don't like it being higher than I want it to be. So can you please tone it down a little? It's not... I'm not gonna die, am I? I only have shotguns. Why is my threat level on level 3? No one's even near me. How do threat levels get higher? Is it sweaty? What? That was very puzzling. The thing that just happened. Nice. Hello. Why is my threat level at 100 right now? It's literally beating. Okay, I think the dude in the car wasn't quite him. Or maybe, wait, is that a blue tack I see? Or is it a blue charge? Wait, what is this? Gold bars. That's blue charge. That is a blue charge. Come here, boy. When he's soft. Oh my! I'm at 14 health, dude. What are those? Why was my thing moving? It was oh. I got close. No outro. Just go.